Wow, what a wonderful place.
Look at the sky.
No, look at those waves. Who's ever going to do that? I'm going to go hit those waves. So relaxing to get out and not having all the siblings bugging you.
It's almost too quiet. I wonder how my sister Morgan's doing.
I found this cool hat and I found this bag of gold and I also found this cool screwdriver.
Are you out of your mind? What are you doing here?
I just broke in from the room. Vacation day! It's vacation day! Maddie, wake up! It's vacation. Yes, it's vacation day. London, wake up! What? Maddie, wake up! It's vacation day! No! It's vacation day!
Yes! It's vacation day! I can't wait to go to Hawaii!
Yeah!
We would still recommend limiting travel, particularly in areas where there's a lot of disease and
Denied.
No more vacation to Hawaii. Since Hawaii's closed, guys, we need to go somewhere else. Anyone got any ideas?
I have an idea.
What?
Disneyland!
That's closed.
Dang it!
Ooh, I heard Universal has a new Nintendo World, so maybe we can go there.
No, that's closed too.
Yep.
We need to go somewhere where we can have fun, play games, make our own decisions, do whatever we want, make a mess.
I have an idea.
Where?
How about Grammy's house?
Yeah! All in favor for Grammy's house, say aye! Everyone, hands in on Grammy's house. 1, 2, 3, Grammy's house! Grammy! No one's home. No one's here. You guys know what that means. I think the silly string doesn't work.
Silly string war!
Silly string war!
Heard. This is the time for young people to come together and have their voices heard. It is about authentic community engagement, and that can only happen when we ensure that those absent narratives are not present. I believe that.
What does Black Lives Matter? I don't know. We have to ask Grammy. Grammy, what does Black Lives Matter?
Black Lives Matter is a response to police brutality, but I think you're way too young to understand that.
So, we understand. We need to do something about it, right, guys? It's time to stand up and do something about Black Lives Matter, right? I'm not sure about this, but okay. Guys, we need to do a change. Right here, right now!
Yeah! Right now! Yeah!
Guys, we need to come up with an idea how we're gonna go protest. Ideas?
I already asked Grammy, and she said that we cannot, absolutely not go protest. I asked Grammy what's the fresh lemonade plus, and she even said no. Grammy, you look really beautiful today. I made you some arepas.
Wow, those look awesome. Thank you.
I had a favor to ask.
Yes,
Did me and Arista maybe go protesting?
that would be absolutely not. There's too many crazy people out there, and you're way too young. Sorry, but I'll keep your record. Thank you.
Denied.
No to those? Did you keep them?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, I got an idea. So here's the plan.
You were every single protest every day. I had to go haul you home from the middle of the street with signs and protests, and now your kids can't go?
No, because times are different right now. We have a virus going around, and me and you are too old. We can't afford to get sick.
Times are different, but they're the same. Here we are today.
Like you say, shut them down.
Kayla, are you ready for this?
It's now or never, right, guys?
Yeah! Let's do it!
Do whatever have a million books?
Let's go!
Hey, what are you guys up to?
We're going to Main Street for sort of protest. Would you like to join?
Sure.
Okay, let's go.
This is where we march, guys. This is where we take our stand.
Yeah!
Yeah! And it has a sunglass and it says we have to go here.
stuck. Team meeting. We need to hurry up and get home before Grammy finds out. Okay, guys? Let's go. Come on, guys. Before Grammy finds out. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, guys. We need to come in. Let's go. Let's go to the F store, okay?
I cannot believe these kids. What were you guys thinking out there protesting?
We were just peacefully protesting, and we weren't doing anything bad, and there weren't a lot of people. We did what you said.
This just in, it appears that we are getting a breaking news update of a peaceful protest that's going on Main Street. In the spirit of Kylie Jenner, there are some young people who have taken to the streets to begin to get awareness out about civil injustice. We take you there live. Does not appear to be a large crowd, but once again, as we learn from Kylie Jenner, just a few sweet treats will end racism. And we are so glad to see these young people doing their part. What a big and courageous step to take a stand for injustice. This warms my soul, and I hope that it warms yours. Somebody out there somewhere is a proud mother, father, and grandparent.
Grammy, can we just say something?
Yes.
We're sorry for sneaking behind your back and protesting. The only reason why is because we love you.
We just wanted our voices to be heard.
I am so proud of you guys. I love you. I know this was not an easy thing to do, but I'm really, really proud of you, and I love you all for standing up with your leader.
Can we just say something?
Yes.
We're sorry for sneaking behind your back and protesting. The only reason why is because we love you.
We hear about you a lot, and all we wanted was our voices to be heard.
Well, I'm really glad because I love all you guys, and I'm glad you had your voices heard. But now I'm sending you all back to your parents, and I'm going to drink my wine.
Michaela. Not you. Henry Green.
It's not you!
Action.
Action. Okay, from the top.
Up the street. Hold on, wait, don't run over anybody. Okay, let's
Jaden a sign and Leah a sign out of the car.
Oh, no!